Hi guys, we are back with another video. Today we are solving this question. Today is day 3. I hope you have watched previous days videos like day 1, day 2 and day 3. If you have not watched, you can watch them. And as well as we are today as we are solving this problem, let's start. My first practice that you have seen also in last 3 videos, that we start with the reading of the question. So let's start read. In question number 4, it is given you are uh, given a number n and you have to create a pattern like this. Uh, like in day 2 video, we have printed right angle triangle like this. So we can say the mirror of this we have to print in this video. Okay, mirror of this we have to print in this video. So let's read the complete question. We have to print this pattern. We have to take an input from the user, and then constraints are 1 less than equal to n and less than greater than equal to 100. Sample input, sample input is 5. Uh, I think it is just ignore this one, and we have to print this only. There is some mistake in this, so we have to print this only, not this. Just ignore this. We have to print like this only. Like this is first star. The sample output will be this for uh, this video. Like 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, 5 star. So this will be our sample output, not this one. I am again saying this is wrong. And let's now move on to this question. Like we have to print like this. So I want you to solve this question, like uh, pause this video, then solve this question, and after that, if you are able to solve, or you are not able to solve, then you can start with the video, you can continue with the video and you can watch the solution. So in this we have to print like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces, 1 star in the first row, then 3 spaces, 2 star, then 2 spaces, 3 star, then again 1 space, 4 star, and in last we have to print all 5 stars. So from this we are clear that we have to take two argument, that is one is space, then other is for the star. So these are the two variable that we have to take, and the one another variable is that will be input from the user, that will be n. So this is clear to us. Now if we take a for loop for I equals to 1, I less than, I greater than equal to n, I plus plus. So we have to, this loop will run whatever the value of n. Like if the value of n will be 5, then this will print 5 uh, stars there in a row. So everyone knows this loop, what this loop will do. Then Now let's see the next part. If we take sp equals to n minus 1, the space, because we have to print one star, and then star equal to st equals to n. This part is clear. Yeah. Okay, now next part. Now we will move into the next part. This in the next part we have to print sos, sp, and st. Just we are explaining this only, doing this part only. This will be not our final solution. Sp and st, and then sp plus plus, space has been decreasing, so sp minus minus, and stars has been increasing to st plus plus. So from this it is clear that one thing is clear, that we have to degrade the space and increase the stars. So for this we have to do sp minus minus and st plus plus. So now this is somewhat the code that we have to code, but we are not very this is not a accurate code that we have to use. So now let's move on to, as this is has been become very hodgepodge and we are very close to our solution, so will be doing coding, and there I will explain the further part of the question. I hope this part has been clear to you all. Now let's move towards the VS Code. There we will and code this question and get the output. Okay. So let's start with the coding. First we have to take uh, variables sp equals to n minus 1, st equal to 1, st equal to n. Then for I equals to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, then printing the statement system dot out dot print ln system dot print ln sp plus st plus st. Then sp minus minus, st plus plus, system dot out dot print ln. Now let's check this code. This is not the complete code, but we have to check first that whatever we are expecting, that code is getting us not. this code is giving us or not. Okay, the four spaces and one star. Then now, as this is correct, now let's move on to the next part. If I say you like for this, for I equal to 1, I less than equal to S P spaces, then I plus plus, and moving on to the next line. System dot out dot print ln slash t, and moving on to the next loop for j equal to 1, j less than equal to st, j plus plus, and system dot out dot print ln, then printing those stars, sorry, printing those star slash t. Now let's check our code. For this loop, now let me explain you first. For this loop, we are printing the spaces, like this will print the spaces 1, 2, 3. Like if the value of n is 4, value of n is 5, then value of sp will be 4, and it will print 4 stitches. Then this loop will terminate and this will move to this loop. Here one is as the value, and this will print 1 star. Then moving on to the next, then this loop will terminate, and then by as the value of sp is 4, now this value will be 3, and value of st will be increased. As it was 1, now it is 2, so 3 spaces and 2 star. Now this iteration will go on until, like, now in the next it will be 2 and it will be 3, 3 star, 3 star. Then in next 1 space and 4 star, 1 space and 4 star, 1, 2, 3, 4 star, and in final this will print 5 star, and we will get our particular output that we want. I hope this is clear. Now let's run our code and check whether we are getting the right solution or not. Run our code. Okay, now it is running. Let me type 5. Sorry. Now it is still giving the same output that actually we have not saved it. So let's save this code, the code that we have typed. Control. S. Then let's run this code. Now I hope that we will be getting the right output. Yeah, now you can check we are getting the right output. So I hope this solution is clear to you. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.